Malu Saab. Today is a big day as it's your birthday today, and I want to wish you many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with all the happiness, good health, good wealth, and all the success you want. And I want to say you something that you are such a wonderful person and a wonderful friend. I love working with you. The comfort level and the satisfaction I've never get anywhere else, and I have learned a lot of things from you. So this is just dedicated to you. तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा याराना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना. Happy birthday.
Hello, sir. It's an immense pleasure to express our feelings on this day. Today is your birthday, and it's a very special day for entire KEP family. So, on behalf of KEP family and personally, I want to wish you many happy returns of the day, and have a wonderful year ahead. Have a great year ahead. Stay healthy, stay blessed. Even I would like to add some things about you. You are such a passionate person. You are such a great leader and visionary leader. So we feel proud working under you. So keep us motivating as always. And again, I would like to tell that to become an international market player, it is a dream of many companies, and we have achieved that milestone at a very early stage, and it happened just because of your leadership and visionary mindset. So thank you for that, and पुन्हा एकदा वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. तुमच्या यशाच्या पताका अशाच सर्वदूर फडकत राहो, आणि त्या यशामध्ये आम्हा सर्वांचा खारीचा वाटा असो, हीच ईश्वरचरणी प्रार्थना. आणि पुन्हा एकदा वाढदिवसाच्या खूप शुभेच्छा. तुम्हाला उदंड आयुष्य लाभो, आणि तुमच्या सर्व इच्छा आकांक्षा पूर्ण होवोत, हीच ईश्वरचरणी प्रार्थना. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
Many more happy returns of the day, Malu sir. Stay happy, healthy, and be successful. And thanks for being inspiration to all of us.
Hello, Malu sir. Hope you are fine and enjoying. On these special occasions, I would like to wish a very happy and special birthday. God fulfill your all dreams come true and provides bundles of joys and lights in your personal and professional career. Today, I am feeling proud to be a part of your team member and the organizations. About you, you are a thorough professionals, hardcore technocrats, and you have designed so many systems and developed many technologies which is running successfully in the market. And apart from this, you are also a very analytical, innovative, polite, calm, cool, and managing a good show in a difficult situations, and also believes in customer satisfactions. And recently you have designed a very good systems which is called MVRE and running successfully in the market, and I am feeling proud that we have a presence in across India and global. Thank you, and once again very happy birthday to you.
Very happy birthday, Malu sir. It's a great day. I wish for long, cheerful and free life. Thank you.
Hi sir. A lot of people love to complain about their bosses. I on the other hand have only praise and admiration for you. You are such a wonderful person and you bring light to our organization. I wish you many more happy returns of the day.
Hello sir, wish you many happy returns of the day. So I really appreciate your hard work, dedication, and the goals which you have reached. I wish you will reach all the goals which you have planned, and stay blessed. Thank you.
Dear sir, to begin, I discussed new ideas and suggestions with the intentions of the company to improve day by day. You are truly a leader and achieve success in everything you propose. Today, the reason for these words is beyond the workplace because today is your birthday, and it is our hope and wish that this special day is filled with much joy for you and your family, and that success and happiness accompany you. With all my heart, I wish you happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, sir. I wish you that you be blessed with all the happiness, good luck and success in your life, and may you have a long life.
Wish you many more happy days of the day, sir. And I wish you to celebrate like these birthdays in the future also with us.
Sir, wish you many happy returns of the day, and I wish you will receive many more goals and achieve also. And happy birthday, sir. Thank you.
Happy birthday, my favorite boss. Today is the day of celebrate you and your wonderful leadership. Thank you.
Birthday, sir. Wish you a very healthy, fun-filled and happy year ahead for you. Thank you.
many happy returns of the day, sir. हमारी शुभकामनाएं आपके साथ है, आपकी हर मनोकामना पूरी हो, यही हम चाहते हैं. Once again, happy birthday, sir. Thank you.
Many more happy returns of the day, sir. Happy birthday.
Wish you many more happy returns of the day.
Hi, sir. Teamwork doesn't happen when people come together to work. The true teamwork meaning is when we work together under your inspiration. Happy birthday, sir.
Hello, sir. Many more happy returns of the day. Have a great day today. Thank you.
Wish you many returns. Happy birthday, dear sir.
Many happy returns of the day, sir. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity in working with KEP organization.
Wish you a very happy birthday, sir. May you achieve many more milestones like this, and we are always there with you.
Wish you many more happy returns of the day, sir.
Many happy birthday, sir.
Wish you a very happy birthday, dear mother, sir.
Wish you a very happy birthday, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.
No one reaches a high position without daring. I like your daring, sir. Wish you many happy returns of the day, Manu, sir.
On your special day, we would like to say good luck, happiness, and success on your way. Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday, sir.
Many more happy returns of the day, Manu, sir.
Happy birthday to the best boss I know.
Many happy returns of the day, sir.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, sir. Stay healthy and happy forever. Keep supporting us always.
So happy birthday to you.
Wish you many more happy returns of the day, Malu, sir. Wish you many more happy returns of the day, Malu, sir.
Wish you a very happy birthday to you, Malu, sir.
Happy birthday, sir.
I wish you many more happy returns of the day, Malu, sir. Stay happy and healthy.
పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు, సార్.
Many more happy returns of the day, मालू. Wish you very happy birthday. वाढदिवसाच्या खूप शुभेच्छा माझ्याकडून आणि 97 बॅचकडून.
हाय मालू, तुला वाढदिवसाच्या खूप शुभेच्छा. तुम जिओ हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000. मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे.
विद्यालयाच्या शालेय जीवनातील मित्र मालू कांबळे, ज्याने स्वतःच्या अथक परिश्रमांती अभियांत्रिकी क्षेत्रात ठसा उमटून स्वतः तसेच इतर शेकडो हातांना काम मिळवून दिले. आज त्याने स्थापन केलेली KEP ही कंपनी भारतातच नव्हे तर जागतिक स्तरावर देखील नावलौकिक करीत आहे. अशा या धाडसी, परिश्रमी, सहकाऱ्यांच्या नेहमी मदतीला धावून येणाऱ्या, नवनवीन आव्हाने पेलणाऱ्या मालू कांबळे या माझ्या मित्रास वाढदिवसाच्या अनंत शुभेच्छा.
Hi Malu, happy birthday to you. I am very lucky to have a friend like you in my life. Have a happiest birthday ever. Enjoy your day.
Hi Malu, many happy returns of the day. On this, I'm to say on this occasion, I just pray that you will have a good health, prosperity, and happiness. One thing again I want to tell you, like we all are proud of you because you are only the one who become an industrialist amongst our 97 Navodaya 97 batch. So thank you for making us proud about you. Once again, happy birthday to you.
मलंजे हा माझा लंगोटी यार आहे. लहान असल्यापासून आमच्या दोघांमध्ये खूप स्पर्धा चालायची, पण हा बदमाश खूप जिद्दी आणि कष्टी आहे. ते नेहमी मोठे स्वप्न पाहायचा नेहमीच. आज त्यानं स्थापन केलेली केई कंपनी लाखो बेरोजगारांना काम देत आहे. हा नेहमी प्रत्येकाच्या मदतीला धावून येणारा, कधी संकोच न करणारा, वेळोवेळी मदत करणारा, अशा माझ्या मित्राला वाढदिवसानिमित्त आभाळभर शुभेच्छा.
Hi, this is Dr. Rahul Kamble from Mumbai. I am practicing in Mumbai since last 10 years. I have my own hospital. Now regarding Malu, happy birthday Malu. Many happy returns of the day. May God bless you. मालू के बारे में बोलना चाहे तो बहुत कुछ बोल सकता हूँ. मालू को मैं बचपन से जानता हूँ. जवाहर नवोदय विद्यालय शंकर नगर 6th क्लास से. ही वॉज वेरी मल्टी टैलेंटेड पर्सन. हमेशा वो कुछ तो डिफरेंट अचीव करना चाहता. हमेशा वो अपने टॉप लेवल क्लास में मेंटेन करता था और हमेशा कौन सी भी एक्टिविटी हो स्कूल की उसमें टॉप हमेशा रहता था वो. 2 साल पहले हमारा गेट टुगेदर था जवाहर नवोदय विद्यालय शंकर नगर नांदेड़ में. उसको खाली मैं इतना बोला कि मालूम अपने को इस साल गेट टुगेदर करना है, तो बोला कुछ तो अपन डिफरेंट करेंगे. खाली तू अपने जो बैचमेट है कितने आते हैं वो मुझे बोलो. तो मैं सबको फोन किया. नियर अबाउट 34 स्टूडेंट्स. वो बैच हमारे बैच के रिकॉर्ड था. बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स सब तैयार हो गए. तो मालू ने सरप्राइज देने के लिए अपने फैक्ट्री से 34 स्टूडेंट्स के लिए उसने यूनिफॉर्म तैयार करके लाया. और हमारे स्कूल के गेट टुगेदर के पहले हम नांदेड़ में गेट टुगेदर रखा. सब लोग आए और दूसरे दिन वहाँ स्कूल में गए और सबको शॉक लगा कि ये बैच के बंदे इतने एक्टिव कैसे हो सकते हैं. क्योंकि हमारे बैच में कोई कलेक्टर है, कोई और डॉक्टर्स है, इंजीनियर्स है, टीचर्स है. हमारा जो बैच है वो बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल बैच है और उसमें टॉप मोस्ट लेवल पे मालू कामले है. मालू को फिर से मैं जन्मदिन मुबारक देता हूँ और भगवान से यही दुआ करता हूँ कि वो और वर्ल्ड के टॉप मोस्ट इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट में से टॉप मोस्ट इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट रहे, यही दुआ करता हूँ. थैंक यू.
Hello Mr. Kamble sir, we wish you a very happy birthday on behalf of the NITJ Chemical Engineering Department. We are very privileged and inspired to have you as our alumni. Here is one birthday song we have prepared for you as a sweet gesture. Hope you will like it. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए. तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
तमिळनाडे